Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a popsicle stick explosion. First, gather about 100 craft sticks. This fun and easy method creates an impressive chain reaction that's sure to amaze. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring your explosion is both safe and spectacular. Get ready to transform ordinary sticks into an extraordinary display of kinetic energy. It's a fantastic project for anyone looking for a quick, engaging activity. To begin, you'll need a good supply of standard craft popsicle sticks. We recommend having between 50 and 100 on hand, depending on how large you want your explosion to be. Make sure your sticks are clean and smooth to prevent any snags during the weaving process. The beauty of this project is its simplicity. You won't need any glue, tape, or fancy equipment, just the sticks themselves and a flat surface to work on. Now for the exciting part, building the weave. Start by laying 2 sticks in a V shape. Then, carefully interlock subsequent sticks in an alternating over-under pattern, creating a stable, tension-filled structure. Each new stick you add should increase the overall tension, which is crucial for the eventual explosion. Take your time to ensure each stick is securely placed, as a loose weave might not perform as expected. The more sticks you add, the more dramatic the effect will be. The moment of truth has arrived. To trigger your popsicle stick explosion, simply release one end of the woven structure. The stored tension will cause a rapid, exciting chain reaction as the sticks fly apart. Make sure you perform this in an open space, clear of anything fragile or anyone who might be too close. It's a fantastic visual spectacle. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice air fresheners and more. Enjoy the satisfying burst of energy you've created.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.